Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail for free online using these three sources. So let's get started. The very first one that I like to use and I started off with was Canva Free, the free version, and then I went to Canva Pro. I like it because number one, it's easy to use and they have a lot of different pre-made templates. So you don't have to, and the third thing is it's a web-based software, so you don't have to install anything. And on top of that, over the years they added certain features such as screen recording, video animation. You can do some like animation with Canva. You can build your website with Canva. So there's a lot of different things that you can build with it other than thumbnails. But when it comes down to ease of use and being able to produce a decent quality thumbnail quickly, my go-to place is Canva, the free version. And then if you used it for me, I used it for a couple of years, and then finally, since I used it so much, I found it just more convenient to upgrade, and I haven't regretted it since, right? Because I wanted quality images, and I didn't want to have to upload the quality images and then add it in, and it just took too much time for my workflow. So Canva is the first one when it comes down to ease of use for free YouTube thumbnails. Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions again. I've mentioned in another video how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate my channel and to save time while building traffic. So hey, if you're interested in how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate a lot of your work and to build traffic, I'll put a link in the description and it will take you to the course where you can see how I do that. It's just there for people who are interested, so let's get on with the video. The second source I like to go to is Photopea, and this one right here is very similar to Photoshop. It's basically an online version of Photoshop. So if you don't want to pay the monthly fees and you want something that's comparable or something that can later translate, let's say you want to use the free software tool first, Photopea first, and then you want to go ahead and pay for the Photoshop, then this one will give you the most bang for your buck because you can use the skills that you learn here and transfer it over instead of having to learn from scratch as you would if you went to from Canva to Photoshop. You would have to learn everything from basically zero. That's not the case with Photopea. Photopea is basically Photoshop on training wheels, right? So and the good thing is it's free, and you can also open Photoshop files in here, right? So this is good for more tinkerers, more advanced people who want more control over their image creation. They do have a template that you can use, like a user generated template that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail, which is great as well. But this one will probably work well for the long term. This is probably the go-to option if you want to. You want more advanced controls over your thumbnail creation. And then the last one is Pixlr. I think that's how you say it. Basically, it's also another photo editor that's online, and you can basically do basic image editing or photo editing with this. It's kind of basic, but it does the job. You can go ahead and check it out. It's free. I'm not really complaining about it, but out of the three, which one would I pick? That depends. Out of the three YouTube thumbnail generators, I would probably go with Canva, because if I needed to pop something out real quick, I'd go with Canva, and I've been doing it for years, but I'm leaning more towards more advanced tools after a while. After a while, what happens is you kind of plateau. Like, the reason what I mean by that is your thumbnails click-through rate can only reach a certain level when using Canva, because everyone has the same templates, the same graphics. It's really hard to stand out, right? So you kind of have a ceiling. You have a cap for, at least what I found, I have a cap to how high I can push my click-through rate using Canva. And if I want that extra kind of oomph for my thumbnail to increase my click-through rate, I'm going to have to switch to more advanced tools. Now, you don't have to do it like I did. You can go ahead and go straight to Photopea and then, or Photoshop, but you can go to Photopea, see if it's for you, and then upgrade later on. So I would say, you know, if you know you're going to be creating YouTube thumbnails for a while, and it's a kind of career, like a long-term thing, then go with Photopea, because you're going to have to relearn everything if you go from Canva like I did. All right. I'm still, kind of making the switch transition. I haven't done it yet, but I would recommend, if I had to pick one as a complete beginner, go with Photopea. And then if you really need to create something really quickly and you just don't ever want to, dabble too much into thumbnail creation, then stick with Canva. All right. Those are my recommendations. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit the like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.